Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install PowerShell 7.65 on Fedora operating system. To download the software in Google search box right there, PowerShell, then go on this Microsoft.com site. Click this, then you need to go on this Get PowerShell 7. There you can see this for Windows. There you can get for Mac OS and this here Linux. Let's click for data Fedora. We need to go for Red Hat. And if you scroll down, this you can get 7 or this you can also apply on the Fedora. So there you can, by using this command, you can download this or here you can do the installation, download and installation by using this command. Okay, so here let's use copy this file, copy this and open link. Then you can see this RPM file is now currently downloading. So this RPM file generally support by the Fedora operating system. Now this done, let's click on this show in folder. Then after right click, then click on this rename, selecting this all copying. And right click open in console and this that's come there. Let's increase the size little bit. Then here pasting this. So here you need to include sudo dnf and store and give the password. So Fedora 44 is there updates. So sudo dnf this downloaded file full name you have to give. Now this installing PowerShell. This version is there, right there, Y and press enter. So this is now verifying package installing. So this tutorial, if I write this place pwsh minus minus version. So you can see 765 that install. Okay, and if you write pwsh, so this is now PowerShell, that's PS PowerShell. This comes there. If I write ls, then you can see this file. There, this directory that's percent there. Now thereafter here, let's close this. Closing this one also. Thereafter, I'm trying to open the PowerShell by doing the search. So let's write there. So PowerShell, I can't do it. For opening the PowerShell, you need to go on this terminal and thereafter order approach, you have to do this. Here, you need to write the pwsh, then you can open. So PS, this is so home directory cd.dot, this directory that says list of files, ls, dir, and if I let's use there clear. So if I write there, write minus host to print the hello world. Double quote, let's write there hello world. So hello world, that's a display. After that, you can use this PowerShell inside this Fedora operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.